Are you responsible for packing your family when it's time for vacation? So you're a mom too, right? Come with me and let me show you how I organize our necessities when packing for a Walt Disney World vacation. All the magical lifestyle tips, please be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell when we upload new videos every single week. With a little faith and trust, little pixie dust when you subscribe here. I am an expert organizer and I love to plan outfits for vacations, especially in Disney where my tutus get to come to life and live their biggest fantasy. One of our most popular freebies is the Disney Outfit Planning Guide. I thought I could give you a live version of what that looks like here and show you where to find it on our newly refurbished website. I'd walk you through my steps for how I organize, plan, and execute a magical packing experience. Before I can think about outfit planning, I need to know which parks we'll be in for the day. So I created this spreadsheet to help organize our daily park plans to go along with our corresponding outfits. So this is the spreadsheet that I am using to keep myself and Caleigh organized. You can see over here that there's the day of the park that we'll be in, and then it's broken down by tops, bottoms, undergarments, and shoes. Now I've packed Caleigh at this point, so you can see everything in bold is what is currently in her suitcase. I haven't gotten her new sneakers in yet, and I still have a day to fill for her on this last day. And I do have some ideas. You can see for me, I haven't gotten to the packing stage yet, so nothing is in bold, and I still have one day to worry about for me. If you are interested in making this a freebie, will you let me know in the comments below? As a Disney mama, I also intentionally match Caleigh to either the color combo that we're wearing or the park day. We love Disney bounding. If you've been following along on Instagram, then you know I have been putting outfits together for months. I have a highlight called Disney Style, which will take you through all of the outfit iterations for each park for both Caleigh and me. And later in the video, I'm gonna show you the pieces and where I got them from, and everything that I can find will be linked in the description box below. Before we go on, tell me, are you an outfit planner? Do you plan your outfits to match on vacation? Do you like to make a spreadsheet, or you just kind of put it in a bag and let's go? Tell me in the comments below. Now the hardest part is done. I have done the research, I've done the organization, and I've done the curating. I've procured the pieces. So the spreadsheet really is the research behind the product. Now that I have everything, I can lay it all out with accessories and undergarments to see visually what it looks like put together. I'll be linking everything I possibly can below. This Kate Spade backpack was a gift from Christmas. I'm very excited about it. These Steve Madden shoes that are Golden Goose knockoffs and the red Minnie Mouse romper are both from Amazon. The dress on the right is Lily Pulitzer, but I did get it off of Poshmark. The lilac dress is from Francesca's. The denim shorts I DIY'd to be Mickey, but this yellow bell dress, and the Princess Leia shirt on the right are all from Target. All of my tutus are from Amazon, and then this last fun Disney shirt is from Jane.com. This is Caleigh's side. I have a Pippa and Julie romper from Nordstrom. The Minnie Mouse shirt I DIY'd myself, same with the Walmart shorts underneath. I got the dresses on top, both from Jane, and the bell dress from Poshmark, and the bathing suit is actually from Target. I don't usually pack them in outfits. I typically pack them with tops, bottoms with bottoms, undergarments together. I like to keep the type of clothing similar when I'm packing them. But this is where I go through the spreadsheet to make sure I have absolutely every single thing that I need. And I write out for myself all of my makeup items, my body care, hair care, socks, jewelry. There is nothing that I want to leave home without. So we are about to start moving Caleigh's clothes into her suitcase. I did put a blanket down underneath the suitcase because, you know, even though we wash and dry clean them, we don't really know where they've touched. So we have a white bedspread. We're not about that germ life. This is Caleigh's suitcase, and her cousins all have the same exact one. So when we travel together, it's like a little rolling brigade. I have some toiletries in our Target bag, and as you can see,
I am using the spreadsheet that I made. I'm on the left, Caleigh's on the right, and then it's listing out over here the park day, and then the tops, bottoms, undergarments, shoes, and accessories. So wherever you're seeing a highlight means that that item hasn't come in yet. So there will be some things that I add to this after this video has been posted.
Now it's time to pack. As I said before, I put like items together, and I'm doing this in packing cubes for the first time. Normally I roll my luggage, like I roll each piece by hand, but I'm using these packing cubes. I'll link them below, and I really like how easy it is to pack. I'm gonna start with Caleigh's luggage because it is smaller and easier, and then I'll work my way up to my luggage. This is also my brand new away luggage that Mark and I got each other for Valentine's Day. I will link that video here where I share why I love this brand.
This is the new away luggage. She's so big now. Let's compare her. This little baby, this is my carry-on that you can tell, like, right, like, look, she's scuffed. We've had for years. And then this was our Valentine's Day present to each other, was the actual like checked, sorry about the lighting, big boy. I'm very excited to pack this. And I'm gonna bring that one with me on the plane when I travel. Sisters! So I wanted to show you the inside of my away luggage because so many people don't understand why these are so expensive. And it's not just because they're cute and they look preppy, but I wanted to show you some of the features on the interior so that way you could get a better understanding of what they do in case you're interested in purchasing one. So something I really like that all size aways come with is this detachable like dirty laundry bag or wet bag. So I am someone who either likes to do all of my laundry if possible before coming home or separate my dirty from my clean. So I love that this comes with this compartment. You fill this side with your clothes. You then put this, you flap this back, and you can tighten this as much as necessary. And then you pull these flaps tighter. So it really compresses what goes on this side. And then of course you have this little pocket. On this side over here, you fill it and then you zip it. So you have two entirely separate compartments. So when you open it, it's not like everything comes smashing out together. It's super organized. This also came with a little like Mr. Clean white sponge to help get the scuffs out. And then I love that their branding looks like a passport. This is my first time using these CalPack packing cubes. I actually got these in a FabFitFun, I think about a year ago. I am trying to figure out how best to pack a tutu into these packing cubes, so I'll probably end up taking everything out of the bigger one and then replacing it in the medium-sized one. I found these to be super flexible, really easy to use, and they just take up less space in your luggage somehow. So this is a super organized way to pack. I really think I'm going to like this. And one of my tutus is currently in a package. So when I get to Disney and open it, it will be big and will need to be smushed into this medium-sized one as well. I do end up having a smaller one left over that I'll use for probably undies and socks.
That's it. So really, despite this video being so short, this is a lengthy process, but if you're organized, mama, you can do it. If you want to grab our free packing guide, make sure you go to the description box where you'll find the link to get it. It'll help you stay organized, save time, and make packing a more enjoyable experience for yourself. And you won't forget anything by leaving it at home. So if you want to see a what's in my bag video when we're in Disney, like what I physically carry in that Kate Spade bag, will you give this video a thumbs up, please? I'm going to link our Disney playlist here as well as in the description box. So if there's any step along the way that you want help with, I got you, girl. Thank you so much for being here. We're so excited that our Disney countdown is on, and we will see you next week. Bye, everybody.